talk about how can you enable dark mode on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on mine down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to night mode, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean dark mode, like you see, enable with us now here. So that's all you have to do, that's all. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.